to Busch Gardens Williamsburg. We're going to take you on a walking tour, walking directions on how to get from the entrance to Busch Gardens Williamsburg to Escape from Pompeii, a water ride. So just follow our lead. We're going to go, what do we go? Right first.
No, left.
Left first. So here's the directional. Right here you get to just this point. You can go right, straight, or left. We're going to veer to the left. Just follow our lead. I'm going to speed it up a little bit for you. As you can see, you get a POV of it coming down and splashing. Here's the sign, Escape from Pompeii. Speed it up a little bit, veer around, go under the slide. I'm going to take you in line, get your POV.
Enjoy your tour through the ruins of Pompeii.
Escape from Pompeii, 5.3K, Busch Gardens
Welcome back,
Williamsburg.
riders. How was that ride?
Summer 2025.
I think, did you put in time lapse?
I did, and now it's out of time lapse.
Is it? I don't think it is.
Maybe I'll put it in time lapse again because nobody wants to have the slow full effect. We're coming out over there.
I'm guessing it will be getting wet from inside.
I don't think we get wet inside. I don't know.
Yeah,
We're about to find out. First time for us, first time for you.
no, probably not. I mean, we don't know where they're from.
It's true. Let's go. Let's enjoy the ride. This looks like an old ride. I'm going to get you the year of this and the details.
Caution. Warning. Earth. What's Earth?
I'm gonna save everybody. Oh, okay. I see some doors. From Pompeii.
Okay, that was fun. Can we get a normal one?
You escaped.
Yeah.
Hey, we made it.
What happened this morning? The water like
Speed it up a little bit. Take you into the station. There it is. Escape from Pompeii. Please like and subscribe.